Good morning. Today we are going to discuss one acronym, that is DASH. Dietary approaches to stop hypertension, that is so called DASH dash. DASH diet limits 2300 milligrams a day. Food is enriched of potassium. This is very important for 40 plus people. They have to take care of their health. The DASH diet is rich in fruits, leafy vegetables, and whole grains. Include fat-free and low-fat dairy products. DASH diet reduces sodium by including sodium-free spices, flavoring instead of salt. The DASH, a way of eating which stops hypertension. Follow DASH and safeguard your heart. Meet again in the coming session. Till then, bye.